Good morning. Today is the 7th, I think today is the 9th or 10th of 10th of November 2021. And let me say this, I've always said this. Nigerians don't have a problem of commitment, dedication and zeal. We have a problem of drive. Sometimes about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I was on Yinka Adesola's page. My Ebon Nuruddin Tuba, of course, very good friend. And when I went to our page, I saw the fact that, look, you can actually build a charcoal cold room in the hot temperate region of the north that you can use in warehousing whatever you harvest from your greenhouses. So, in a place like Nasarawa State, where we have been able to plant over 10,000 palm trees, people say palm trees they grow for nuts, and I'm never ready. We were able to design our own unique greenhouse that is able to combine, I repeat, combine the local charcoal technology with the modern cooling technology all in one. So whether light day, we do okay. If light no day, we do okay. All because we wanted to create an objective of saying, let us see what we can do if we are able to utilize the local raw materials we have for the interest of ensuring that we eliminate waste in our system. And so we build this exactly the way it was recommended, exactly the way it was discussed. Right here is the charcoal cold room, charcoal chamber. The charcoal chamber is, you use the coarse nature of the charcoal, because the fact that air can flow in between. Use it, utilize it, so that the air that flows in will be cool air. But it becomes cool air, why? Because of what? Of the water you are going to be running through it maybe twice in a day or once in a day. You run water through the charcoal so that it can create a cooling effect on the charcoal. Once the charcoal is cooled, whatever you have in the freezer will be what? Cooled. Now, so look at it in the context. Context is simple. You're seeing the water source coming in. This is the water source. It cools the place twice in a day. You are looking at the entire place, back to front, using mesh wire to be able to hold the charcoal on board, sealing up every exit so that rats cannot come in. You look at it very carefully. And then more importantly, let me take you in, because when you go in, you begin to understand how easy these things can be done if we have a system dedicated towards making these things work. Let us go in. I am going to open it with the spring door so that once you come in, it closes right behind you. Now this is beauty. This is nature. Look at the simple process. Sealed from the top. Sealed with the charcoal from the side. You can see the doorway also sealed with charcoal. The doorway is also sealed with charcoal. Now, on this end, you have an orbit fan, a simple orbit fan. Why did we add this? We added this because we wanted the situation whereby, in the case of water not being able to run through, as you can see, the water is flowing in. You can listen. The sound you see is the sound of water. As in the case of the water, when we don't have water, you have your 1 horsepower Skyron AC. Not to at about 24, we have to set it at 24 so that the temperature that your cucumber needs. You don't need too much of temperature. You don't need just basic temperature below room level. These things can stay here for the next 30 days. For the next 30 days, you have a cucumber. It's ready. Anybody that wants to come and buys them from this charcoal chamber. What are we trying to do? We're trying to look at simple solution for our national issues. If you have a charcoal chamber in every local government, basic, simple charcoal chamber in every local government, I'm already feeling cold. What are you going to do? You're going to be able to stop the issues of farmers wasting what they cultivate. Waste. you eliminate waste. Now, guess what you have here? Not just that, you have your power system. You are going to have your scale here. So anybody that wants to come and buy, you want 10 kg of cucumber, they weigh them, bag them, give you, and then the place is cool. I can decide to put up the lights when I'm not here. And what happens? Everywhere is dark because it does not need the light. You only need it when you are coming in to take things. You have cucumber here. You are going to have bell pepper here. You are going to have tomatoes here. You are going to have vegetable here. Nigeria is a product of our collective ability to think. I can tell you, look, that the challenges of agriculture are tough. They are hard. They are difficult. It's impossible almost to be able to succeed. It's as if the system is set up to disappoint us. It's set up to make us fail. It's set up to make us struggle. But you have to ask yourself a national question. And the national question is that, what is it that I can do? How long can I continue? What can I grow? What can I build? How can I contribute my own quota? And that is exactly what we do here. So when I saw the Charcoal Cold Room in Yinka and Desola's page, wow, I felt it is something that we can do. And so we deployed local technology with the help of our local staff here, and we built it. This room can hold grains, can hold fruits for 30 days, and they will not be spoiled. They will be fresh. This were harvested more than 48 hours ago. And look at them, as fresh as though they were just harvested today. That's exactly what it does. Nigeria is a product of our imagination. Our struggles must not define us, but they must give us a sense of our past, remind us of our challenges of the present, but prepare us for a future capable of taking us to a level that makes this country wonderful. I'm Rex Nteleke. I never hammer. I fit no hammer. But for as long as we have life, our job is to make Nigeria work. What is your job? Occupy farms. This is who I am. Thank you very much.